morning, YouTube fam jam. Welcome back or to the channel. If you're just joining us on my lovely adventure, my name is Ben, or aka The Broke Broker. And we are trying to make our epic comeback of not going bankrupt. Let's see how that goes. Anyways, my freight that I mainly haul is pretty much company freight. We don't very rarely ever touch load-borne freight. Therefore, on this channel, due to company policies, I'm not allowed to discuss individual rates. But I can discuss my monthly expenditures and income to give you an idea of what's going on. I will be receiving my pay stub within the next little while. We will be going over stuff, numbers to show profitability or loss. My expenses are a tad on the high side, but this weekend, or not this weekend, this week, I was off Tuesday and Wednesday. Today is Thursday at approximately 4:26 a.m. on March 5th. So I was off the Tuesday and the Wednesday. I had an appointment on Tuesday that I had to go to, and then I took yesterday off because I had to meet with lawyers. We'll keep you posted. Anyways, we are currently bobtailing back to my house. Or not back to my house, back to my yard. Sorry. From my house, as we left off the last video, I had dropped my trailer off at the yard with a load of empty reels on for the boys to unload because of the Great Canadian rules, where I have to, unfortunately, take 24 hours off in a 14-day period. Basically, to recap that, excuse me, in Canada, you can only recap for 14 days, and on the 14th or 15th day, you have 0 hours, regardless if you have hours left or not. You are forced to take 24 hours off. I think it's bullshit. I think it's dumb. But guys, that's the way it is, unfortunately. So that's what forced me to go home on a Tuesday. Actually, technically on the Monday night, because they did not have the hours to get even home on the Tuesday, because they wanted me to deliver Tuesday but go home. Anyways, long story short, that's done. We are now on our way back to the yard to pick up my trailer, which is loaded with 3 drops going to Mississauga and Woodbridge. And from there, I don't know. We'll find out. May do a load over the weekend, or I may end up back at home. I'm not sure. Typically, the way I run is I go out on about a 2-week trip, so it's usually about 14 days. Some days it's sometimes it's even longer. The last trip I did, a while back, I was gone a month. And then I was home, and then I get in 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks or something like that. And then this one was 2 weeks because 14 days. So it's kind of all over the board. But majority of my runs are long haul to the U.S. I'm the long haul driver for these guys. And that's what I do. I go from coast to coast. Actually, I pretty much stay, I shouldn't say coast to coast, I pretty much stay like I-81, I-95, I-81, and west. I don't do Connecticut, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine often. I'm not saying I don't do them. We just don't do them often. I do more of the Texas, Florida's, North Carolina's, Iowa's, Illinois', Indiana's. We do Washington, Oregon, Montana, all that. Okay, anyways, you get the drift. That's usually the areas I run, and then I run up into the BC, Alberta, Saskatchewan, reload, go back down, and then all of those. Anyways, yeah, so that's our plan. We are going to go do this load. We need to be in Mississauga by 11-ish a.m. I should be at my yard by 6 a.m. Maybe a little later. I have to stop and get fuel. Gives us about 45 minutes to chain the load down and get the hell out of there to get to Mississauga for 11 a.m. And then my other two appointments are for 1 and 2. So, let's see if we can keep these appointments good. Alright, guys. It's not a whole lot to see as it is 4:30 in the morning and it's dark. So, on that note, catch you on the flip.
More Alice. We're going to take that to them. This is our load, guys. So the back 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 are coming to this place. Then those 2 are going to another place. And that one's going to another place. So that's my load. And then we already have a reload to deliver. And then a reload for that. Told you, they keep me moving. Alright. Let's get this done. Right, y'all. 1, 2. We gotta deliver those. Look at this. Customer across the street was closing down and had a couple used truck tires. Are not the greatest. I said, take them if you want them. Perfect. We'll get this unchained and get this out of here. Alright, here we go. Drop number 3. Let's go. Looks like I got a little bit of a issue. Apparently 2 of my clearance lights are leaking. One up there too. This one's the worst, apparently. Well, I guess when it dries up, I'll have to fix it. Seal them up. What is going on, YouTube fam? Okay. This is what we're dealing with. We had to load it special because I guess the customer doesn't have a way to unload these reels. So they want to roll them off the back of my truck into a bay. So I got to back up to a dock and they're going to roll them. So we got skids, got 1 going over top, 2 going around holding that, got my V. So what we've done is these are screwed in to hold these in place and block that so they're not going anywhere. That way we just unscrew, move the blocks, and away we go. Hopefully roll them off my truck. That'll be interesting to see. Spare tires which I'll drop off at home on the weekend. And the big 84, I think those were 72s. So 84 inch, 72 inches. Again, not exceeding 45s. Same thing. Screwed in. That one's a wide one. Yeah. This is what she looks like. This is what it's all done. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I'm gonna wait for, because I'm in for Concord, which is Toronto, so I'm gonna wait for the traffic to die down because I've only got 2 hours and 37 minutes remaining on my logbook for today. And I gotta have this in Quebec between 9 and 10 tomorrow. It's not good. I don't know. I don't think this is gonna work. I honestly don't. Alright. Peace.